We're in downtown Lawrence today, and I found this alleyway to drag my beautiful wife into. The reason I chose this alleyway was because A, there's a lot of wind out today, and B, I still kind of have that fear of speaking in public and having people walk past and kind of judging me. I figured it was about time I delivered a video, and I kind of want to up the game. And with that, I wanted to share some basic tip, but I think it's going to take your photography/videography to the next level. The basic tip is exposure. There's basically 3 types of exposure: overexposing your image or scene, underexposing your image or scene, or kind of balancing the highlights and the midtones and the shadows all together to kind of give you an image that shows the sky or the background and your subject in all detail as much as you want to bring into it. That was your quick tip. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whatever day that this video is posted on. What's cool about exposure is that whether it's day or night or kind of midday, you can tweak the exposure to get cool, different artistic shots. So I would recommend actually go out there and do that and see what you like about setting the exposure at certain times of the day and see what kind of images you can pull off or scenes you can make from that. Finger gun.